Hey everybody, are you ready to cook dinner with me tonight? Tonight, I'm going to cook mixed vegetable with crispy beef. Let me show you the ingredient. The ingredient is some garlic, onion, carrot, red pepper, ground beef, zucchini, broccoli, fish sauce, vegetable oil, soy sauce, black pepper, and sugar. Put some vegetable oil. Till the oil turn hot. Put some garlic. Let garlic cooking and turn until turn golden brown a little bit, and put some onion. When onions start to turn gold, and we can have some ground beef. Put all in. And let it cook. Soy sauce. Little sugar. Some black pepper. Some fish sauce. Let it cook. It's cooked and almost ready right now. So the beef gonna turn brown and crispy. So the beef turned brown and crispy. So we just done. Okay, now we're gonna cook vegetable. So we're gonna start with cooking oil again. Start with the cooking oil. And start with cooking oil with onion, chopped onion. Ready? So when onions start to turn golden and soft, so we can put some carrot. A little some water to make it cook. Some broccoli, zucchini, all mixed together and stir fry together, mix together. And put some soy sauce. some fish sauce, some sugar, just make a little bit softer flavor, make not too salty, and we put some black pepper, and mix together until vegetable cook and soft. So now let's vegetable cook. Let it sit and cook. We just wait till vegetable done. Vegetable is cooked right now, so we just put crispy beef on the top and we just put together and ready to eat. Okay, dinner is ready, so I gonna try and I gonna so good. This nice dinner.